Right, it's early April, and I've been planting out some new potatoes in these sacks here, and I've got one more to do. These are the seed potatoes that I've got. As you can see, they've been chitting in the greenhouse, meaning that little shoots have been coming up, and there you can see them, a few shoots quite happily coming out of the tubers. So all you need to do is you need to get a sack, or you could get an old compost bag turned inside out. Make sure you put holes in it at the bottom for drainage, and you put about 5 inches is probably enough in the bottom of your sack, which I've been doing. So you get a kind of 5-inch layer like that. Next thing you do is take your tuber. This one will probably take 3. So you put one in there like that, one like that, one like that. So you're basically spreading them out evenly spaced, so that there's plenty of room for them to develop. Then all you need to do is cover them again with compost. Put about another 4 or 5 inches on top. Make sure you completely cover them and water them in. Put a bit of water in. There we go. Lovely. And once you've done that, all you need to do is to wait for the foliage to come out, and when you start seeing that, when the leaves start to push through the compost, just add more compost, and you keep doing that and doing it till you reach near the top. At that stage you stop. Make sure you're watering them all the time, keeping them, plenty of water is necessary. The other thing, if you're growing them outside on a greenhouse or a polytunnel, just be careful of frosts, because they will damage the foliage and damage the plant to some extent. So all you need to do is either bring them to a sheltered area, or cover them with fleece, or even newspaper will do. And come June, you should have some lovely tubers, lovely new potatoes formed at the base, which you can tip out and have for your dinner. So try that if you've not done it before.